So we're looking at Facebook and Instagram, and a lot of people look at the two as the same, but they are not the same for one major reason. How people consume content on Facebook versus Instagram are completely different. When you're on Instagram, and for the longest time, Instagram has been a very passive news feed, right? You scroll on your phone, you scroll, you double tap because you like something, you scroll, maybe you comment on something, you scroll, tap. So Instagram is a mobile consumption. Yes, they have a website and people can view it on the web, but not very many people view content on the web. So Instagram, when someone is on Instagram, they're on their mobile device. More often than not. Therefore, I shape my content. I shape even the captions that I write on my Instagram posts, knowing that someone is probably busy, knowing that someone is kind of all over. They might be sitting in traffic. They might be at their doctor's office. Maybe they're playing. They're watching their kids at the park and they're scrolling Instagram. Where Facebook, the variety of Facebook is all over the place. Some people come to Facebook to look at cat videos and crazy GIFs. Other people browse Facebook up and down a couple times a day because they're just used to that. Some people come to Facebook because of Facebook groups. I've talked about this a long time. The number one value for me as personal development as a speaker is a Facebook group that I belong to. I belong to a private Facebook group. And if you guys aren't familiar with the Facebook groups and why I love Facebook groups, there's a previous episode of this show of FOMOFanz that you can go back and listen. I talk about this one Facebook group that has changed my life, that has made me better as a person, that has helped me as a speaker, and it's because of one Facebook group. But here's what I'm trying to explain is that